Yesterday, tracking Mrs. Scott. Yesterday, remember at the end of class yesterday, we just talked about our math problem, not yet, Alex. We talked about our math problem. And our problem was, it was about what? Turn and tell your partner that our problem was about bees, remember? Our problem was about bees. Ready? So, if we have...
He only hit me.
He only did.
He hit me there.
No. Make sure you guys keep your feet to yourself. If we have 10 bees, remember? We had 10 bees in our yard. Let me see your 10 bees. 10 bees in our yard. Matthew, 10 bees. 10 bees were buzzing around our yard. 2 bees flew away. 2 bees flew away. And 2 bees fell in the pool. So first, how many bees are left? That is our math problem. So, what we first have to decide is it an addition or a subtraction problem? Remember we talked about this yesterday? 1, 2, 3. Eyes on me.
1, 2, eyes on you.
We had to decide, is it addition or subtraction? Caitlin, what do you think? You think it's addition? Okay. Jimmy, what do you think? You think it's subtraction. So let me see. Thumbs up if you think it's addition. Thumbs up if you think our problem is an addition problem.
Yeah.
Kai, you can decide what do you think? Addition or subtraction? You don't know? Thumbs to the side if you don't know. Or if you think it could be both, let me see you do 1 thumbs up and 1 thumbs down. If you think it could be both.
Subtraction.
Because there are a lot of ways that we can work this out, but we're only going to work it out one way or so, okay?
Subtraction.
You think it's subtraction? Good job, Kai. You think it's addition, Neoli? So I tell you what, turn and tell your partner what you think. Turn and tell your partner, say, I think it's addition. Ready? Go. Turn and tell your partner. You think it's both?
Kai, what's in your mouth? Come here.
Let me see, guys.
What is it? Open your mouth. Open your mouth.
Show me smart.
Open it.
Everybody, show me
May not
smart.
have gums.
Show me smart.
Go through the way.
So what Giselle did for us yesterday, remember how we talked about this yesterday? She drew our 10 bees, right? We have 10 bees who, we have 2 who flew away. I need someone to draw me 2 bees. 2 bees flying away. We need 2 bees flying away. Caitlin, come give me 2 bees flying away. Quick bees. Because we still have to write our equation. 2 bees flying away, then you don't have to copy, just draw 2 quick bees. 2 bees flying away. If we have 10 bees, 2 flew away, and 2 fell in the pool. Yes. 2 flew away. One more.
Did you ask Miss Scott?
Yes. I said you might go to the next one now. Yes. While she's doing that, turn and tell your partner what you think the answer is. Don't yell it out. Turn and talk to your partner and tell them what you think the problem is, the answer to the problem is. If you have figured it out, ready, go. Turn and tell your partner, go. Now. Valeria, talk to Giselle and Christian. What do you think it is? Together, you and David. Matthew. That body. You can be talking with King Josiah and Kai.
I told you why it was 5 minutes.
we have 10 bees who was in the pool. 10 bees flying in the backyard, rather. 2 bees fell in the pool. 2 bees flew away. And we have 2 more that fell in the pool. I need somebody to draw me 2 more bees. Who can draw 2 more quick bees? 2 more quick bees. Come on, Jimmy. 2 more quick bees. So are you getting the picture? Is this addition or subtraction? Or can it be both? Quick bees. Voices, what are you doing? Let's go. Quickly. Let's see. If we have 10 bees, oh boy, 2 away and 2 jumped in the pool. How many bees do we have left? Don't yell it out. You gotta tell your partner what it is. How do we write this as an equation? How do we write this as an equation? Alex, you want to help me write this as an equation? Get a chance to earn some points here, bud? So, if we're writing our equation, first of all, have we decided if this is addition or subtraction? Giselle, what do you think? Subtraction. Okay. I agree that this is a subtraction problem. Do we agree that this is a subtraction problem?
Yeah.
Do you agree? Can Josiah, that's a check. Do you agree that this is a subtraction problem?
Yeah.
Matthew, that's a check. You're still. Watch that body. Come on, Alex. How do we write our equation? What is the first number that we write in our equation? Yeah, come on. So what do you think? What's the first number? What is the first number that we're going to write in our number equation? Can you decide? What do you think the first number is, Alex? What do you think is the first thing that we write in our equation? So how are we writing our equation now? We have to write our equation, our number sentence. So what do we write underneath these B's? Let's try it. Let's count it. So what are we going to write down here? What are we going to write down here? Write the 1 first. Alex, we can't have you playing. The 1 first. And a 0. Is that not working? That's all right. 1 and a 0. The purple's not working. Here. 1. Write it. And a 0. Thank you. Thank you, Alex. You may have a seat. Good job. So what needs to come next? What needs to come next in our equation? What needs to come, Moises? What needs to come next in our equation, Valeria? What do you think needs to come next in our equation? Do we have a plus sign? Do we have a minus sign? Did we agree that this was addition or subtraction?
Subtraction.
Addition?
Subtraction.
You think it's addition? Okay. We decided that the problem was a subtraction problem. Actually, so, who can do the next step in our equation? What is the next step in our equation? Kai, what would the next step be in our equation? Minus. So you want to come do that for me? Now, what are we subtracting? What is it that we're subtracting? 10 minus? I know you can figure it out. Thank you, Kai. What else have we, what do we write? What comes next? What comes next in our problem, Damien? What comes next? What comes next? 10 minus what? Who wants to help him out? Can you just say, help him out? Minus 2. Very good. Is that it? Is this all?
No.
Is this all?
No. No. I disagree. I disagree. I disagree.
Why do you disagree, Sierra?
Another sequence and then you put until again.
Come do it. Come show me. Alex. Hi. Matthew. Okay, let's see. Let me see it. 10 minus 2 minus 2. Okay? Does that look correct?
No, not yet.
Not yet? What needs to go next? What needs to go next? Diego, what needs to go next? An equal sign? Come help me out. Jimmy, I'll let you finish it out. Equals. Okay, Jimmy, what goes next? What goes next, Jimmy? 8? Is that what you think it is?
No.
Is that what it is? What was the answer to our problem?
Sit like a nice boy. You can do it. On the carpet, silly
Who can
goose.
help Jimmy out and tell Jimmy what the answer to our problem was, Giselle? Alex.
Oh, you got a check? Look at you, just got a check for not sitting.
2. So if we have 10, let's do this. Let's do this. Everybody stand up. Everybody stand up. Stand up, stand up, stand up, stand up. We need to see it. Everybody stand up. We're not doing leapfrogs. We're not doing leapfrogs. Let me see. I need 10 students. I need 10 students. Let me see. Sierra. Let's see who looks like they're ready to participate. Sierra Valeria. 2. King Josiah. 3. Diego. 4. Alex. 5. Kai. 6.
Matthew.
Bobby 7, Neely 8, Giselle 9, Damien 10. So if we have 10 students, come on guys, stand back here. We have 10 students all lined up right here, right? Spread out across here. Spread out across here. Come stand next to me. We have 10 students. Step up to the carpet, step up to the carpet. We have 10 students. These are our little bees. These are our little bees, okay? We have 2 bees who flew away. Since Kai is